Hello everybody, my name is Eloin Peña Torres. I am 31 years old. I'm from Colombia and I live in Villavicencio Meta. I'm working in Colombian Army, so in the moment I work in Sinai Peninsula in the Arab Republic of Egypt with the MFO. MFO, this is the multinational force and observers between Israel and Egypt. I studied technology in environmental sanitation in the University UNAT in Colombia, in Ciudad Vélez, Santander, in the Central East Zone. My group number is 8 in English 3. For today, I have a topic. The topic is deforestation and forest fire in Amazonas as a strategy to expand the agricultural frontiers and pastures to feed livestock. This problem consists of filling trees on a large scale, significantly affecting the environment, variety of plant and animal species that exist in particular environmental area because this environmental is part of the habitat of millions of species, wild species such as jaguars, lions, tiger, animals exotics, and giant others. Mammals such as the red-handed water monkey, as tropical plants, and also affects people through to climate change, uh, influencing with global warming. Also, the increased flooding is a consequence of deforestation, which is the cutting down of too many trees, including large, medium, and small trees. Another consequence is air pollution and poor air quality by the lack of trees, affecting the air, water, and land or in all which people, animals, and plants live. The people should be aware of not cutting down trees. Please, no cutting down trees because this is a big problem uh, that we are generating to the environment, also to ourselves. I have a recommendation, please. Uh, it's very important growing trees and plants. This is the most effective way. It's the most effective way. Uh, Growing trees. You should also plant your own vegetables that help contribute to a sustainable environment. Because by growing trees, we can help the environment and the world. Okay, please. Well, I hope this information is useful for you, for a friend, for your wife, for all people. And that I be a topic that is disseminated to many people in the world, please. More exactly around the world. Okay? This is all for today and see you until next time. Bye bye.